Welcome to WinAirvidio's latest construction update on the Highway 3 widening project. Today, we'll dive into news for local motorists, residents, and businesses affected by the ongoing construction and what still lies ahead. So stick around to see what's happening. Highway 3 has been widened from 2 to 4 lanes, starting at the roundabout on Herb Gray Parkway in Windsor and reaching 1.1 kilometers east of Essex Road 34 or Union Avenue. This makes the 33 kilometers of essential regional infrastructure safer and more efficient for businesses and travelers. This highly coordinated upgrade brings major improvements in drainage, resurfacing, intersection safety, and signal modernization. The project addresses long-standing issues with traffic congestion and aims to support economic growth through better regional connectivity. As of early October 2025, construction crews are approaching the final stage of the project. Detours persist along Graham Side Road and Division Road for critical pavement and signal replacement work, representing the last segment of Phase 3. The most recent updates from the County of Essex and project managers show that the overall completion date remains targeted for the fall of 2025, specifically by the end of October. Currently, the project is on schedule, with only minor weather-related adjustments and no major delays reported this season. Most major intersections have been realigned or closed per the planned traffic reconfiguration, and new eastbound lanes are nearing full completion. Final wearing surfaces, barrier installations, and lane painting are expected to be completed over the next several weeks. Contractors are focusing on completing the last resurfacing work for westbound lanes, installing new traffic signals at Bell River Road, Essex Road 18, and Graham Side Road, conducting safety and drainage checks across recently reconfigured intersections, striping and painting new lanes, final cleanup and landscaping before winter sets in. The main challenge has been balancing detour impacts on businesses and school traffic, especially near Essex and towns between Kingsville and Leamington. Community feedback continues to highlight positive anticipation for improved safety and traffic flow. The lead contractor for this phase of the Highway 3 expansion is Green Infrastructure Partners Inc., GIP, formerly known as Coco Paving. GIP is a major player in heavy civil and structural construction, known for vertically integrated operations across Canada's southern highways and regional municipal works. GIP's reputation in Windsor-Essex is strong, especially for technical expertise and consistency on complex jobs. The completion of Highway 3 widening will improve traffic capacity for daily commuters and heavy trucks, enhance emergency response access between Windsor and Leamington, support economic growth by ensuring safer, faster delivery of goods across Essex County, lower accident rates by eliminating dangerous bottlenecks and providing up-to-date intersection controls, provide direct benefits to local businesses by expanding customer reach, improve travel times for agricultural producers and manufacturers reliant on Highway 3 for exports. As of October 9, 2025, the Highway 3 widening project is in its final stages. The end of the line, hopefully completed by the end of October, with no major setbacks. Green Infrastructure Partners, GIP, continues to deliver strong performance and regional benefits for Essex County's commuters and economy. Travelers along this part of Highway 3 are about to enjoy the completed infrastructure benefits as soon as the new 4-lane section of Old Highway 3 opens fully to traffic. Like, subscribe, and share. More Essex County infrastructure updates coming soon. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.